In our last two videos, we learned some French words and learned how to make sentences using them. I hope you remembered them. It is important to keep the sentences learned fresh in your brain. I'll also share some useful strategies to learn French faster and never forget what you have learned so far. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to the third lesson of Confidence Booster. In this video, we will revise the words and sentences we have learned so far, and we will learn some strategies to make learning more effective. Let's start. How do you say it is very good in French? C'est très bon. How about it isn't good here? Ce n'est pas bon ici. It is very good here. C'est très bon ici. It is good. C'est bon. It is here. C'est ici. It isn't good here. Ce n'est pas bon ici. It is good here. C'est bon ici. It is absolutely fantastic here. C'est absolument fantastique ici. It isn't very good here. Ce n'est pas très bon. It isn't good. It is absolutely fantastic here. Ce n'est pas bon. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Let's try it the other way. French to English. What does ce n'est pas ici mean in English? It isn't here. C'est très bon ici. It's very good here. Ce n'est pas très bon. It isn't very good. C'est très bon. It is very good. Ce n'est pas ici. It isn't here. C'est bon. It is good. C'est absolument fantastique ici. It is absolutely fantastic here. C'est bon ici. It is good here. C'est très bon. It is very good. Ce n'est pas bon ici. It isn't good here. Great. By now you should be feeling confident about learning French. Let me share some strategies you can use to take your French learning to the next level. Number 1. Play around with the words you learned. Try making new sentences. For example, you have learned the word French for it is, and you also learned a couple of adjectives so far. Try placing different adjectives after it is. And you can also look for some more adjectives in Google. Number 2. Keep the language at the forefront of your mind. Always think about things you could say in French. For instance, when eating, try to comment on the food using the words you have learned. Instead of saying, "It's fantastic," say fantastic. Number 3. Imagine environments. Imagine talking to a waiter in a restaurant, talking to a friend while you're visiting a place maybe. So how could you talk to them in French? How could you describe things in French right now? And this strategy will be much more useful when you learn more and more French. Number 4. If you can't remember a word or two, write them down and keep them somewhere very accessible for you. It could be your notes on your phone or your desktop. It could be a sticky note on your desk. Whatever you have great visibility to and great access to, just write there the words that you're struggling to memorize. Find a partner. Find someone who is also trying to learn French, and especially someone who knows a little more French than you. This would help you to talk to them in French and practice together. There could be a sense of competition as well. which is great in language learning and in fact learning anything. To find a partner, you can try out Facebook groups, you can try out other communities online. You could also comment down in our comment section asking for a partner, and if someone replies, you've got a partner. So if you're liking our videos, let me know in the comment section. If you want to contribute as well, like, comment, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on our socials. That's all for today. See you in the next video.